pair.
Okay.
And then the rest are curveball items.
Okay.
So once you flip them over and you find the pairs, we'll leave them open for you.
Okay.
We also have a time limit for this. We have 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
How's your memory? Are you...
좋아요.
Maganda yung memory ko.
Josh! Sabi mo yan, ha? Okay. 3 minutes. Everybody help out. Your timer starts now. Which one?
아야 돼. 3.
Okay.
이거 다 주시면 돼요?
So, mag-flip ako isa pa.
Yes, you flip. Which one do you want?
7.
Mali. Okay.
5. 6. 1. 5.
Okay. That's our first
9.
pair.
3.
So that's a double. Okay.
10.
10.
10.
11. 2. 12. 6. 12.
6 to
8. 2. 4. 7. 뭐야?
What's this?
짝이 없어요.
Wala na.
오케이.
Sabi mo maganda yung memory mo.
네. 되게 좋은데 마지막은 약간 조금 이제 약간 대충 지나간 것 같긴 한데 괜찮습니다.
Maganda talaga yung memory ko. Pero yung last part, parang medyo sabog siya. So, pero it's okay.